Alright, so we're just going to start off by taping the end of our eyes just so we can get that nice line, and I already have concealer on, so I'm just patting it down so we have a nice clean surface, no creases. And we're going to start off by using the 35B palette, and I'm so sad because Morphe discontinued this palette. And we're going to use this yellow shade, which I love. So I'm using the Morphe M330 brush, and I love this brush so much for a transition look, guys. So you just start off by patting the shade onto your eyelid, and then just work it in there. Next shade that we're using is this orange shade from the same palette, and we are going to be using the Morphe M507. Now guys, like I said, these brushes are amazing. I do recommend them. And we're using this orange shade just for like the second color, so it can brighten our eye a little bit, so we have more color to there. So we're actually just applying it over the eyelid. Over your crease. So I wanted a bright red, and Blood Sugar had it. We're going to use Fresh Meat for that bright shade, and we're going to be using the same brush, guys, the Morphe M507. Like I said, my makeup skills have gotten so much better since I bought in this brush. Well, Morphe brushes, I guess. But we're just going to apply it on the crease line, but a little bit above the crease line.
Nobody likes me.
Now we're going to be using our Wet n Wild round flat brush with our LA concealer. And we're just going to start cutting our crease. Now guys, take your time on this because this is a little bit of time consuming and we want it to be good so we don't mess up the look. But like I said, if you buy the Morphe brushes, I do recommend them a lot because my makeup skills have gotten so much better since I've gotten them. But with that being said, there's so many other brushes that are so affordable that you can do an amazing look. Like, I feel like maybe I just wasn't using the right brushes for the right step, but yeah. So now we're going to be using this like cream shade just to set our eyelid because we don't want anything to transfer over our cute fire makeup that we just created and we took the time to make it. almost the last thing is the NYX Blacks liner for the wing, guys. Now take your time on this because I'm not a pro at wing liners, so I do try to take my time and spend a little bit more time in creating the perfect wing.
Man, I wish we weren't perfect. Went to school around 7, wishing it was 11. But in my head I was still in bed. Man, I wish we were bedheads. Oh, 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 no, 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 the leaves are tumbling down September.
Now we're going to be using Suvia Hydrating Liner, and it is Dance Party. And I actually got these little pencil things from Amazon, and it's supposed to be like for cute little nail decor, but I thought these would be perfect for when you want a nice line. And I'm actually just applying it right over my wing liner. Now if you mess up and you actually go into your black liner, that's okay, you guys. You can go back in with your eyeliner, your black eyeliner, and just clean it up. I mean, it's that simple. So just take your time on this as well.
The leaves are tumbling down September. The leaves are tumbling down September. Just like in
And now guys, for the bottom lids, I actually am using the M507, and I started off with the red, then orange, then the yellow shade, just so we get that nice beautiful blend. And excuse my faces that I make during this video completely, like, I'm sorry. Now we're gonna do the Profusion highlight, and we are gonna be using Impulse, guys. I love this highlighter palette. It's amazing. I don't think that they have this anymore, but I actually got it from my Goodwill, and they sold it. it was from Target originally, but yes, I actually love this. This palette is so cute, so affordable, and it's just bomb. Alright guys, so the last thing is our white jumbo NYX liner. The only reason why I always use this is because every time I apply it on my bottom water lids, it makes my eyes bigger, like it makes them wider. That's why I love it. Now guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to like and comment and subscribe, share with your friends, and I have a little surprise here at the end. A bam! Yes guys, my daughter woke up. I do my videos early in the morning, so she woke up and she wanted to be in the videos, so here she is. So guys, I'm just really just doing me. She's over here watching me, but I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is literally what I go through every time I film, and I decided, a friend told me to keep it in because it really shows what moms go through when we're doing our makeup. So this is what I go through every day when I'm trying to create a look for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed that I kept this in here. So with that being said, please comment, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe, guys, please.
You watch me burn, oh, so tell me I'm crazy.